Hi there, this is Deepak from 91 Mobiles and this is the Huawei Mate 10. This is a slightly toned down version of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro but features very similar features and specifications. The main highlight is the dual Leica certified cameras. These are both 20 megapixel sensors in the RGB monochrome configuration. The fingerprint sensor here is placed on the front and this is a 5.9-inch 2K display. The phone is powered by the Huawei Kirin 970 AI processor, mated to 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage, a 4000 mAh battery powering this one. Runs EMUI 8 based on Android Oreo. So up front is an 8 megapixel camera, nice glass back design, feels quite stylish, pretty snappy. The usual camera interface on EMUI with a ton of modes, settings, Pro mode, wide aperture, portrait and moving pictures as well. The port placement is standard. On the left a SIM tray, on the right a volume rocker and power key, USB Type-C and speaker at the bottom, a 3.5mm headset socket on top. So a very stylish looking phone from Huawei. This is the Huawei Mate 10. Thanks for watching.